Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to edit your Shopify store footer. This is essential for customizing your store's appearance and adding important elements like logos, social media links, and additional blocks that enhance your brand identity. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Shopify dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your online store. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left side navigation panel. Here, you'll see various options for managing your store. Click on Online Store, which will expand to show more options. From there, click on Edit Theme. This action will open up the theme editor where you can make visual changes to your store's design and layout. Now, on the left side of the theme editor, you'll see all the sections that make up your store's pages. Scroll through this list until you locate the footer section. Click on a section under footer and it will direct you to the footer editing area. This is where all the magic happens for customizing what appears at the bottom of your store pages. In this example, I have a section called Custom Section. Let's say I want to add a logo to my footer. To do this, click on Add Block, then select Logo from the options that appear. Once you've added the logo block, you'll notice an editing panel on the left side. Here, you can make adjustments to your logo. For instance, let's reduce the height of the logo to make it fit better within the footer design. Next, let's click on a text block to customize it further. On the editing panel, change the width setting to fill, which will allow the text to span the full width available. Then, set the alignment to center. This ensures your text looks balanced and professionally positioned within the footer. Now, on the left panel, click on Policies and Links. This section allows you to manage important links that appear in your footer. For this tutorial, I want to edit the social media links. Click on the social media section to open the editing options. Let's say I want to remove the Threads link. Simply delete the URL and the icon for Threads will no longer show in your footer. Now, let's add a LinkedIn link by entering the URL in the appropriate field. This will display the LinkedIn icon alongside your other social media links, making it easy for customers to connect with you on multiple platforms. You can also click Add Block to add more elements to your footer. Options include button, heading, icon, and more. These blocks give you flexibility to create a footer that truly represents your brand and provides useful information to your visitors. And that's it. You've now customized your Shopify store footer with a logo, text blocks, social media links, and additional elements. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.